Imagine this. It is 2:17 in the morning. Your room is silent except for the glow of a screen. You have just defeated a difficult opponent. Your rank has increased. Notifications congratulate you. Your teammates call you a legend. For a few minutes, you feel unstoppable. Then you turn off the game. The room is exactly the same. The unfinished work is still waiting. Your goals are still untouched. Your health has not improved. The relationships you ignored have not healed. The victory that felt so powerful a moment ago disappears into silence. This raises a difficult question. If you're winning every day online, why does real life still feel like you're losing? Today, we're not attacking games. Games are incredible forms of entertainment, creativity, and competition. The real problem begins when the virtual world becomes a substitute for the real one. The Stoics understood this danger nearly 2,000 years ago, even though they never touched a controller. Stay with me until the end, because the final lesson might completely change the way you think about success, addiction, and freedom. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wisdom Unbounding World. Marcus Aurelius once reminded himself that our lives become what we repeatedly give our attention to. Gaming offers something the real world often cannot. Instant rewards, clear objectives, visible progress. Every mission completed gives your brain proof that you're moving forward. Real life doesn't work that way. Learning a skill takes months. Building a business takes years. Improving your body requires consistency. Repairing relationships requires humility. Because reality is slow, many people unconsciously choose the world where progress feels immediate. Eventually, the game becomes more satisfying than reality itself. Not because reality is worse, but because reality demands patience. The Stoics believe that anything which controls your choices becomes your master. If a game decides when you sleep, how you feel, or whether you work toward your future, then the controller is no longer in your hands, that it is controlling you. The good news? Every addiction begins with repeated choices, and every recovery begins the same way, with different choices. Here are 6 Stoic principles that can help you regain control. Rule 1. Separate pleasure from purpose. Epictetus taught that freedom begins when we stop chasing what merely feels good and start pursuing what truly matters. Gaming feels rewarding. Purpose is rewarding. They are not the same thing. Pleasure disappears quickly. Purpose continues growing. Ask yourself every day, what have I done today that improves my real life? If the answer is only your online rank, your future is standing still. Rule 2. Become comfortable with real-life discomfort. The Stoics deliberately practice discomfort, not because suffering is good, but because avoiding discomfort makes us weak. Games remove many uncomfortable emotions: stress, fear, failure, loneliness. Real life asks us to face them directly. Every time you choose exercise instead of another match, reading instead of scrolling, working instead of escaping, you strengthen the most important muscle of all, your character. Remember this: comfort creates dependency. Discomfort creates growth. Rule 3. Reclaim your time. Seneca wrote that it is not that life is short, but that we waste much of it. Time disappears quietly. 1 match becomes 3. 3 becomes 6. Suddenly, 5 hours are gone. Imagine investing those same 5 hours every day for a year. Learning a language, building a business, getting fit, mastering an instrument. Your future self would barely recognize you. Time is life's only non-renewable currency. Spend it intentionally. Rule 4. Build real victories every day. Games provide achievements. Life provides meaning. These are completely different rewards. Every day, complete at least 1 mission that exists outside the digital world. Finish a workout. Read 10 pages. Call your parents. Learn something new. Organize your room. Complete difficult work before opening any game. Soon your brain begins craving real achievements instead of virtual ones. And those victories cannot be deleted when the servers shut down. Rule 5. Practice self-control instead of self-hatred. Many people try to quit gaming by insulting themselves. I'm lazy. I'm useless. I have no discipline. The Stoics would reject this approach. You do not become stronger by attacking yourself. You become stronger by training yourself. Set limits. Decide beforehand how much you will play. Use alarms. Keep your promises to yourself. Discipline grows through consistency, not guilt. Every promise you keep strengthens your identity. Eventually, you become someone who trusts yourself again. Rule 6. Remember who you want to become. Marcus Aurelius asked himself a simple question every morning. What kind of person should I be today? Ask yourself something similar. When I am 80 years old, will I be proud of the hours I spent leveling up a character, or the hours I spent leveling up myself? That question changes everything. Your future is built one decision at a time. Every choice either moves you closer to your ideal self or farther away. No one else makes that decision. Only you. Gaming is not your enemy. Escape is. There is nothing wrong with enjoying a game after fulfilling your responsibilities. The danger begins when virtual victories replace real progress. The Stoics never promised an easy life. They promised something better, a meaningful one. A meaningful life is not built through endless entertainment. It is built through courage, discipline, patience, and action. Every sunrise gives you a choice. You can spend another day collecting digital trophies, or you can begin building a life that no one can take away. The greatest achievement is not becoming the highest-ranked player. It is becoming the highest version of yourself. Thank you for watching. If this message made you reflect on your own life, please like this video, share it with someone who might need to hear it, and subscribe to Wisdom Unbounding for more timeless Stoic wisdom that helps solve modern-day problems. Remember, the strongest person is not the one who conquers the virtual world, but the one who conquers themselves. Until next time, protect your mind, master your choices, and keep growing.